Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the BDV webinar series. Today, we have the pleasure of having Sussane Kuehrer, project coordinator of EC projects at the EIT Digital, who is going to tell us the motivation and main benefits for the big data community of the innovation marketplace delivered by the BDV project. This presentation and the recording will be accessible via the BDVA YouTube and SlideShare channels, as well as through the BDV webinar series webpage that is showing at the bottom of the screen. So without further delay, let me hand over to Sussane. So Sussane, I'm going to give you presenter capabilities, and the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Thomas, for the nice introduction. I would like to show you would like to tell you a little bit about the scope of the Innovation Marketplace, what we are trying to do, and how you can support us and we can support you. So in general, the scope of the Innovation Marketplace is to promote all the innovation results that are coming from the Big Data PPP and to promote them to a wider public, because all results are important. We want to show them to really to the wider public than only the BDV, the Big Data Value community. The scope is to provide a catalog of all solutions from all the PPP funded projects. We would like to have not only the catalog, because this is really the scope of this marketplace, to be interactive, to have a matchmaking between demand and supply side. Now we need your support to put the solutions here for the supply side, and we will support you then on creating the demand side and support you in the active matchmaking and facilitate the interaction between all participants. Let us have a quick look on the Innovation Marketplace. So you can see here several functionalities. You have the search functionality. You can contribute, where you can upload your contribution, your solution, and then you can participate in fora. So it is about mainly here really to show your results, but also to support you in the interaction. There is on this website also available a video which is walking you through the uploading of the solutions of the marketplace and also providing you with information with a quick guide. Let's have a look at the search button. You can already see the solutions that have been put here. There are different solutions types. So when you are uploading your solution, you can choose what is your solution type. You have the BDV reference categories. You have the readiness level. You have the markets you can address. You have multiple choices here to see, okay, which market would be very interesting for your solution, and then to indicate the owners what you have. So let's, for example, check the data management. So you get here already some solutions, all the solutions that have indicated that they are dealing with data management. So let's click, for example, in this solution here. So what did the people provide? A brief description. They provided also a nice sketch. They provided a video, which is quite important. They indicated the main features. What is really important also, because this is also for attracting demand side, to say, okay, which are the areas of application? Which are the customer benefits? Then it's clear you indicate which readiness level it is. You can go more to the website. You can indicate also the people that should be contacted. So accessing the fora or accessing or putting up your solution will require that you have a login. So let's return now to our presentation. What are the benefits for you to do to work in this to contribute to this marketplace? First of all, it's an additional tool for dissemination. I know a lot to a wider.
Hi, Sussane. We are having troubles hearing you at this point.
Oh, okay. So it should be my connection. You are now hearing me,
No, it's
or
okay. It's okay.
okay? So should I start again with this slide?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So we are talking here. I just wanted to show you what could be your benefits of putting the solution into the marketplace. It's an additional tool for dissemination and exploitation of your results. You can show. I know that you are doing a lot of dissemination, but I presume that it could be reach a wider public if you're putting the solution in this marketplace. You can outreach to potential customers and collaboration partners. Here we are talking again about the demand and the supply side. It could be especially interesting also for SMEs in your projects, or also for the SMEs in the accelerator projects, because there could be an outreach to investors. And there is an active support we will give to you in the matchmaking, which will be in the moderated fora, where we are talking about trends, future interests, where you're going, what is interesting in the area where your solution is placed. So a lot of things that can be discussed here. What would we need from you? The information about your solution. Through an online upload, as already shown before, I will show you again. This is the login, so please create, if you still do not have a login credentials, please create a new account, you will get access. This gives you the possibility to upload your solution in all these in these areas that are in the online form, which I showed you before. You can get support from BDV, from the project, but as you have seen, there are also webinars available. We would kindly ask you also to identify missing potential information you are missing in the online form that could be interesting if you're thinking, okay, I would like to attract partners, would like to attract customers, or for the SMEs, we would like to attract investors. There is no possibility in one of the areas in the online form where I can put this information, so we would be happy to have your feedback on that. And for sure, it's also important that you can give us some guidelines on identifying the demand side. So for whom is your solution interesting, so that we can approach these companies and try to start an active matchmaking. What is the process? You have already seen that there is a short webinar already available on the website where you can it is demonstrated how you can add your innovation. So the point is, access the marketplace. Then, as said before, please either log in if you have already credentials, or create a new user. Then start uploading your solution in the different, filling out the different areas that are indicated there. Please note there might be areas that are marked as optional, like areas of interest or something like that. But if you are really interested here in getting support, in getting the demand side attracted, or find potential partners, customers, or whatever, please indicate your information also there. Include, please, also a video if possible, and provide a very good description in each of the fields, because this is really crucial also for attracting the demand side. You can have, as I already have shown to you, you can already see good examples in the marketplace. Once you have uploaded this is going into a review process. If the coordination team of the review process is considering the information sufficient, the content will immediately be published. If there is missing information, we will come back to you and kindly ask you to add or modify information, and then to resubmit it again. And then the solution will be published. So what are the next steps? The next steps, as you have seen, there are already solutions in the marketplace, so we are already in the phase of collecting information, but we will continue doing that. We also would kindly have interviews with you to understand how we can support you to put the solutions there. This should be finished latest by mid-June. We are already in the phase of creating the demand side, but there is still more to be done. That's why I already mentioned if you could give any help on that, it would be highly appreciated. And then the plan is to make the public launch of the Innovation Marketplace at the BDV PPP Summit in Riga, which is taking place from the 26th to the 28th of June. And really try to start a promotion campaign showing what we have achieved in the PPP and try to promote this marketplace as widely as possible, and then to support the continuous growth of this marketplace. This is all from my side. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Sussane. It has been a pleasure having you. And as you know, this webinar, along with other material, will be uploaded to the BDVA website as the URL we showed before. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.